Hello. What's up? I'm back. Hmm. What the fuck? Hmm. Hey, Ahmad. Let me see. I'm trying to get ready to get my app, like on the app, not on the app, yeah, on the App Store, but like into the hands of you guys who watch me in the Discord. Watch me here and on the Discord. Okay, so I need to pay to do this. How much does it cost? Need to check that. Dev account. Apple developer. Develop. App Store Connect. How do I get a paid account? Sign in. And renew membership. How much does this cost? Agree to that. Sign in for faster checkout. Okay. But what am I paying though? What am I paying, mate? Huh? What's the cost? Review order. Bros. What's the freaking cost of this? Oh, 150? That's not too bad. I need an app icon. I mean, I'd be paying for this and then what? Was this for a year? 1 year. Alright, well, let's get the freaking thing ready first. Okay. Let's go into this playlist here. Okay, this is causing me a headache, so I think I'm gonna have to redo it. So we're gonna close that for now, and I'm gonna open up another one here. Yo, hello. You're a viber? You're a vibe coder? Is that what I'm getting from that? Yeah, I do. Pretty much every day except for Sundays and Fridays, usually. You'll probably see on my channel there's like an endless amount of streams on there right now. All right, you know what? Fuck it. We're just gonna go straight into a new app right now. Learn something new. I did pay for these courses, so why not use them? And also, at the same time, you guys aren't gonna see this, by the way, so I'm just gonna turn this off. Found someone subscribed. You are probably gonna see me here often from now on. Awesome. Thanks for your subscription. Glad to have you, man. So what do you do? Are you a coder as well? Hey, are you primarily doing Python? No, I'm primarily doing Swift. Sorry, man. Sorry to potentially disappoint you there. But I only do Swift here. Oh, nice. What are you gonna start coding Python, or are you trying to get into iOS stuff? Mostly mobile? Yeah, at the moment mostly mobile, but I do have a big interest in Mac apps as well. And obviously that'll translate over to iPad, the iOS stuff. So iPad, iPhone, or iOS, iPad OS, and then Mac OS too. And in the future, like down the track, I'd be interested in developing for like Vision OS. That'd be cool. Ooh, Kotlin would be cool too. Let me know what it's like. Dude, the stream earlier today wasn't a quiet one. Dude, I remember I came here the other day. You said you're 32. I am 32. I'm 34, man. And I just started my master's in CS. Oh, cool. Thanks for streaming. Oh, no. All good, man. Thank you. It's all about creating a network and a community, and you know, pushing for inspiration, you know? Pushing for consistency, inspiration, motivation, all that stuff. Thanks for being here. Hey, Siobhan. Welcome back. Yet again. Starscream. It's actually not his voice. How's it go? You failed me yet again, Starscream. Something like that, right? All right. It's gonna be a fun one.
Okay, I found this on the web for Find One.
Serious out. Speaking about Python, I think Swift will fully replace it in my workflow soon. Yes, love to hear it. That's actually the same in Japan. The last name is first. Hey, look, sometimes I call people here by the last name anyway, so unless you really love your first name much more than your last name. Vizzle? Newman John. Newman, John. Good morning, Code with Ollie. Should I just call you Ollie? Wait, do you stream, Ollie, or do you like make videos? Because I haven't looked at your profile, but what do you do? Oh yeah, you do. Sorta. Not that often, I guess, but I'm seeing. Oh, do you do lives? Oh no. So you used to. I'm sorta. Most. Not anymore. Okay, yeah. Oh, you mean the people chatting? Wait, what have I done this already? Yeah, I have, I think. Let me open up the right file here. Who the fuck is rumbling outside? Oh, yeah, we did the URL stuff already. So let's go to lesson 3. Wait, what? Have I done that too? Oh, I think I have actually. Yeah, we've got a bunch of shit in here already. Wait, it hasn't completed my lessons properly. Oh yeah, we've already done this too. Okay, I think this is the new one. That was in Next.js stream from my alt account. You guys frequented a different stream together? That's cool. Who's Eren? What is Eren? All right. I'm not gonna use my keyboard here. I'm just gonna use my laptop. I think. Nope. Don't know. I don't watch it. I don't like Attack on Titan. It's too chatty for me. And I feel like hey, look, I'm gonna accept that L take because like I feel like first of all, that's my opinion because so many people do love it. But like I've properly fully given it a chance. It's not like I haven't. I'm not one of those people that will be like watch 2 episodes, 3 episodes and be like, "Nah, it's not for me." No, I watched the full season 1 and part of season 2, and yeah, that is definitely like I feel like me saying it's too wordy, it's too chatty of an anime. That's really saying something considering I do love anime and animes are chatty in general. Saying an anime is too chatty, which I think is accurate for that show, is kind of crazy. No, 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 I know you're kidding. Special needs of small developments. What do you mean? Like it needs to? It needs. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, I watch anime just to join conversation with my friends. Oh, really? That's it? You don't like it in general? Maybe you just haven't found the right one. If you haven't watched Free Ren, anyone who hasn't watched Free Ren, I'd highly recommend it. And don't do the one and done. Don't do the watch 3 episodes or watch even 1 episode and be like, nah, this is not good. I promise you, it is actually one of the best animes in existence, I think. Is it good? Is that good, Aniket? Alright, I'm gonna turn off this because you guys don't need to see it. Yeah, 100% Ali. To go the anime of the year award was told. I know. I heard about that. It's funny because the awards came out before I actually, um, before I had seen Free Ren, and I saw Solo Leveling one, which I obviously have seen, but I was like, oh, why Free Ren? Because I'd watched like 1 or 2 episodes of Free Ren, and I hadn't watched it, but I knew I had already known by then that the story of Free Ren, the way that they wrote it and the way that they made it was excellent. So but I hadn't seen the whole thing because there wasn't any like action or anything to the point where I had seen yet. So I was like, huh, interesting. I need to watch more Free Rent, and then I watched it, and I was like, yes, that was actually stolen. Yeah, true. Yeah, it's so true. All right. Sorry, I can't focus. I gotta listen to this guy again. So we're gonna do fetch character, fetch death, and for loop. I'm using the MacBook Pro M4 Pro. A Mac? Yeah, that's right. No, it's not anime of the year, but it was really good. But it did, to be fair, it did jump around a lot, and that's something that I appreciated about Free Rent is it didn't do that. It just spent all the time it needed in every moment that it needed to spend time on. If the folder's name on my laptop is not great, I lost motivated to code. Like I need it to be like when I look at the name, it's attractive. I think I can't relate to I can relate, but not in the fact of coding because yes, I like it to be organized, visual, but like I never see my folders when I'm using Xcode because I literally just do an open I do like a open recent or whatever and I make a new file or whatever. It's totally unrelated. Seeing whole army of laptop. Yeah. I keep all my coding files in this folder. In a folder called catastrophe. I don't doubt that. Send a screenshot of this Discord. Oh, wait, actually, we don't need a proof. The shitty thing, I'm not gonna lie, it's shitty that you can't code with Swift on non-Macs. If you want to use like SwiftUI and Xcode, you can't. Not really, unless you want to run like a parallel Windows parallel thing. Even then, it's hard to do. Yeah. All right, let's make a new function. Func fetch characters. Fetch character. Characters? Did someone just send something in Discord? Oh yeah, you did. Ha! Catastrophe. Ooh, Dino. Wonder what's in there. Jumps when pressed spacebar arrow key, nothing else. Oh, boring. Can I get higher here? Remember I told you yesterday that I resigned from work? Now I just got a new offer of full stack dev again, but not sure if they okay with my tech stack or not. Well, getting an offer is good, at least starting off. But that's pretty sick. Yeah, I remember you said that. The next natural question. What's your tech stack? Tell me your tech stack. What is it? Please. It's like the most compared like data points in existence between people in the coding world. React fellow. King, bro, you look young for 32. Yeah, I know. I get that a lot. Especially when I shave, which I have recently. I look really young. I also act really young. You might notice that too. But why would I ask yourself this, why would I act old? I use React. That's actually exactly what we need here. Let data response. Try await URL session data from fetch URL. Guard let response as HTTP response. 200 else throw fetch error bad response. Um, from data boys. Drop your skin routine. John's 32. I thought he was 25 at best. You haven't known my age this whole time? Drop the bio, bro. Height and weight. My height is 5'10", I think. And then my weight is at the moment 73, looking to drop it down to Actually, I'm just looking to lose like fat, so I don't really want. Maybe I'll drop it down to 70, but I need to gain more muscle. Or I need to regain. Well, I do have muscles, just like I haven't been going to the gym recently, so I have to admit that. My skin routine. My skin routine used to be worse. Um, so I've been keeping myself looking. Oh my god, this is actually hilarious. This is hilarious. Okay, I saw a video recently, not recently, a while ago, but I saw a video recently in my head. It's in my head right now. It was a like a weird, I think a Hallmark movie or something, or some stupid, silly like movie, but it was a new one, and it was like an Asian specific one, and this girl's dad went over to some no, this older gentleman went over to this like younger woman's house. I can't remember the context, but I think he went there to like give, I don't know, I think they knew each other or whatever, but anyway, the point is when he got there, she was like, "How do you keep yourself looking so young?" Cuz it was like an older guy, but he looked like really young. And he's like, "My secret is I wash my face with shampoo." And I was like, "Oh my god, that's what I do. I wash my face with shampoo like for the longest freaking time. Like since I was, I don't know, 15 probably. I've been washing my face with shampoo. 6 maybe 17. I don't know. I think 15 though, to be honest. So like for 15 years I've been washing my face with shampoo. And here we are. But I will say that shampoo definitely isn't the right thing to wash your face with, or my face at least, because I noticed that when I changed to an actual facial scrub thing, that's not a scrub, it's like facial wash. When I changed to that, like the amount of pimples and like blemishes that I would have, I just don't have them anymore really. I have one here at the moment, but like generally I have nothing and my face is perfect. So that's, yeah, take notes boys. 333, it's 333 in my country. Yeah. Start off with the shampoo. If it doesn't work, no, I'd say just start. I say straight up, get like a scrub or like a facial cleanser that's specifically for your face. I didn't think about it. I never thought about doing this, but my fiance told me like a year ago or a year and a half ago, like, hey, we should use this, or you should use this. Why aren't you using it? And I used it, and it's better. Welcome to 6:30 a.m. 6:34 a.m. Buying shampoo stocks right now. Yeah. 11 a.m. Good morning. 12:35 p.m. here in Cambodia. Good afternoon then to you, sir. Good afternoon to both of you. Aniket too. Wait, what have I done here? There's something wrong here. Uh, this is. Oh no, it's meant to be in here. Oops. No, it's not. It's meant to be here. Missing return. Oh yeah, that's true. You'd think it would put it in there, right? Return character. That should be right. Yeah, there we go. All around the world. I know. Literally people from all. Chuck your country in the chat real quick. I want to see where everyone is. There's mine. Sorry, I didn't think my country was worth capitalizing the first letter. Australia, India, Nigeria, Cambodia. That's crazy. It's probably a few. There's probably What about Gami and Adrit? Don't know if they're still here. Notice the IA at the end of the word. Why do I notice that? States. Oh, states, really? What part of the states are you in? I'm originally from California. Oh yeah, true. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, what the hell? Oh, yo, that's crazy. Literally the opposite end of where I was from. California. Holy shit. Australia, India, Nigeria, Cambodia, United States of America. No, it's not the same. America. No. Across 4 continents, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 continents. No, 5. No, oh no, sorry, 4. Wait. Actually, I don't know. I'm not going to comment on the continent situation. Cambodia and India in Asia. Oh yeah, then 4. Oh. Oh. Australia is in Australia. What do you mean copyright coming? I absolutely love it, Billy Hill. I had a class in college that was iOS app development, and I remember sitting there thinking how natural Swift felt, but I've not used it in years. Is it worth picking back up, you think? I don't know. I mean, if you like learning and you like natural coding, then yeah, why not? I love it. And it is the highest paying dev jobs you can get, so I don't know. It depends what you want to do with it. It's fun to use, definitely. It's fun to make apps and stuff. I mean, for me, it is. It's awesome. It's my sole focus. Like, I don't know or want to know any other languages. So, and if I did, that would be bad because I would end up not learning anything. think I'll kick around some sort of basic app idea and try it out again this weekend then. Yeah, you should. It's really nice. Really nice, easy to use. Um, I don't know. You don't just start doing something in it. Ow. Cracked my jaw. No, sorry. I'm doing hold on, let me change what I'm doing. I'm doing I think a networking app is what it would technically be. Yeah, networking app. I'm making a networking app. Can I network with dinos in Zen? No, sorry. You can only network with Breaking Bad people. Super Pro. No, I haven't, but yes, it does seem really interesting. In the future, I'd love to develop for that. My interest is iOS, and by subsequent ease of development, iPad OS. I'm not super interested in iPad OS, but like my apps could just translate easily. I definitely want to do Mac OS, and Vision OS is seems really cool. Oh wait, cool deal. That iPhone is capable as fuck right now. I feel like most people don't know the type of hardware that's in their pocket. No, I would agree with that. I think a lot of people don't understand how powerful it is. Especially in the iPhone, like the way that the system works, it's just even though it might not even have as much hardcore hardware compared to like say the overkill in some Samsung or Pixel phones or whatever, it's like even more capable because of the way it's built. Oh, and that's why people want to make iOS apps sometimes in native. That's why I want to. Probably. Probably could. I'll be right back. I need my water. Hello. Saws had to put the laundry on. I realized. Oh. Oh wait, my headphones low. What's up, Crocodam? Sorry. That's weird. Love hearing switching to Mac. Putting spatial video recording in a phone was a brilliant move. Just recorded my wedding in part on an extra tripod with it and plopped it onto my Quest 2, the converter, and it's pretty decent 3D. Oh wow, that's cool. I need to upgrade my phone to do that. So much dust here. So update to iOS 26 recently. Some new AI. Like that answers calls for membership. Oh yeah, that's actually a really cool feature though. I like it. I really want to. I haven't upgraded yet because I don't want to get a beta for that, but I do use the iOS 26 and I do build in Xcode 26. So I like to use the new liquid glass. I'm getting a jump on things because a lot of people are now trying to like adopt it, and I'm just like straight up learning in it. I highly doubt you're the only Android supporter here. Yeah, definitely. I find it's cool that I'm actually like, you know, when you wish you were in those moments where you could jump on the bandwagon early. I think I'm finally in one of those moments where I'm on something early. That's useful. So it's gonna be a quality of life shift that people will appreciate. Yeah, I think so too. Android he. Thanks, Billy Hill. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate the support always from everyone. Take care, man. I realize my stream is a bit boring compared to perhaps maybe some other streams because I am learning, so. What's up, learner? Well, I feel like I'm not like just straight up building like some other streamers might be doing. Although it's weird because I haven't seen many streamers and many coders streaming, which I find is like, is there even any happening right now? Maybe I'm just live coding and I click live. I'm at the top. There is no one. Is there anyone? Is there anyone streaming right now? Like coding? Is it just me that can't see them? Can't code at light speed too. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, like, it'd probably be more exciting if I was like, you know, going faster. Just in general. But it's interesting because I don't see any, like, is it just me that doesn't see this? I don't see any coders. Maybe it's Australia. Maybe it just shows me Australia, but there's no one coding anything live. There's literally no one. Oh, what's up, Loop? How's it going? Wait for the vibe. We discuss coding and stuff. Well, thanks for coming for that. I love that too. I said I can actually focus more. Someone's working too. Yeah, he did say that. programming in Swift. I want to know that. Have you looked into the open source project BitChat? What is that exactly? Chat. Let me see. Peer-to-peer encrypted messaging app developed by Jack Dorsey, co-founder of X, co-founder of Twitter and Block. You send messages via Bluetooth low energy mesh networks without requiring internet connections, cellular service, or user accounts or central servers. Wow. Huh. No, I didn't know about that. Yes, and that is open source and you can learn from it. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. She knows. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Is it programmed in Swift though? Part of it, I guess. Or the Swift part? Or the iOS part, I mean. That's awesome. Should have a look at it. Native Xcode dev, and we have Xcode modules where iOS or Android native APIs. I see one of the Swift guy pulled out the native feature where we hold a person in an image, cuts out that person iOS. No, I don't know. I don't know how any of this stuff works in React, except for the fact that I know it's not like properly native, so it has to kind of conform. Feature into Xcode native text behind it. That's cool. They did that. Swift, it's person segmentation, and use that. Oh, okay. No, I actually didn't know about that feature either. I think. He's printing your revenue. Okay. MR monthly revenue. Revenue. Wow. To use the API or what? Just the app. The app itself is text behind image, one feature focused, and it makes 3 to 5K per month. That's insane. That is insane. Stuff and make good basic recurring revenue out of feature hard. So I'm also looking forward to building that solves the problem. Yeah, that'd be cool. I honestly I'm confident in my app as well. That solves the problem and will make some revenue monthly. Well, I don't know monthly. I don't know the way that I'm gonna do the payment yet, but it might be just a one-time payment. When I can afford a developer account, I'll get all you guys to try out my app. I'll send it off through TestFlight. Thought that it would even work, but one of the guy made a period tracking app for women and it's doing very well. Oh, I can imagine. Can't try out any of your apps for demo. I wish you guys could try them out, but I need to pay for the developer program first. Once I do that though, I can give you guys some apps to try. Well, my one. Oh, true. Yeah, right. You don't have an iOS. True. Well, yeah, it's 150 for me. Australian dollars. I have the money, but I need it for... Like, it's not fully ready, so that's the thing. Like, I do have the money to pay for it, but like I kind of don't at the same time, so... That's true, yeah. There is none. Damn. Well, you'll have to live vicariously through my simulator then, for now. I'm gonna buy it once I make an app. Validate the idea if it actually has any potential. And only I will proceed to buy both App Store and Play console accounts to save some money. That's good. I feel I've already validated my idea, so I'm happy to buy. Now I just want the app to be fully complete, which means I need an app icon. Which is not too much, but aside from that, it's pretty much done now. I've got all the images in there. So yeah. True, yeah. Yeah, that you are coding right now, or are you building outside? If you're okay about, what was it? Yeah, it's my, I don't know, you might have seen it already. It's this stretching app that I made. Stretching app. It's an app that makes stretching easier and more accessible. Basically. It's not the one I'm working on right now. Yeah, this is a networking app. This is not the stretching app. Body stretching? Stretching, like stretching your body stretching. Yo, yo. Welcome back. Oh, yum. I love burgers. Thank you. Chomp. Thanks, dude. Really appreciate it. Do you get points for that in the... Yeah, you get XP. Nice. YouTube, let people use your XP for stuff. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Especially since I had to skip my Amazon shift today. Oh, is it actually? Oh, you're leaving Amazon. Yeah, you finally decided? Amazon is so shit, bro. Like, to work for. Isn't it? got a job at EY as a data science. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah, I actually, it's ironic. I actually had to skip my Amazon shift today because they weren't paying me enough for the shift that they wanted me to do. Like, they wanted me to go fucking over 40 minutes away from here to deliver, and I'd be there probably for 4 hours or more, and then another 40 minutes to go home. That's 6 hours plus, and I'm getting paid for 4 hours. No fucking way. Do they not think, like, a little bit of a rant here. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Abdul. I'm from Tanzania, East Africa. Wow, another. So, like, you're so unique in the location that you're from, because everyone here is from a different location, pretty much. Yeah, but a little bit of a rant. Like, it annoys me that you not only can't change your, like, actually, you know what? The main annoying point is they don't organize the people for the zone that they live near. It makes no sense. Why would I drive down there when I don't live there? You know? Why? That makes sense. Like, if I lived in Tweed, if I lived, like, saying Tweed doesn't make any sense to you guys, but if I lived, like, in that area that's 40 minutes away from me, and I worked for Amazon doing this, and I drove up here, then that's fine, but give me a shift that's in where I live so I can drive back home with the deliveries, deliver them all, and then come back up for dropping the undelivered, like, the next day if I'm doing more work. Friends deliveries first. What? Oh, wait, what? You're from Africa? Oh, yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Sorry. Sorry. I'm unnecessarily separating you guys. But you are both from different areas, right? So. We didn't. You can send burgers. Send me a burger, Loop. Wink. I'm still hungry. Kidding. You don't have to do that. Yeah, Nigeria and Tanzania. Do that because you'll have friends deliveries. Yo! Loop, thank you. You sent me, like, a burger and a quarter. Actually, I like that GG sticker thing. Thanks, Loop. That's awesome, man. I really appreciate it. Oh, thank you guys. It is, but it doesn't matter because you supported me anyway, so that's what's important. Thank you, bro. How's your job going, by the way? Since you did your renegotiation. Thanks, Honeycat. Not gonna lie though, I'd love a real burger right now. Holy fuck, man. Thank you. What does next time even mean? Damn. Next time you'll give me another burger? Is that what you're saying? This month I had some load to manage, but once I'm off that, we are gonna work on one of our own products for sauce. Oh, cool. You had to beat him with the 60. I know, everyone's so kind and supportive. Especially Crocodam. He's like... He's given me so much already. He's donated memberships. It's too bad the color of the sticker is random though. Membership, how can we do that? Actually, I don't know. I think you could... Croco knows how to do it. I've actually never done it, so I don't know. You can... There must be a button for it. I don't know. How'd you even get to 150? I thought 75 was the max. For chatting. Right below super chat. Aniket is like the #1 supporter in terms of showing up. He's always here. Huh. Maybe, yeah, maybe constantly returning to the stream gives you more points or something. Code with Ali is up there too now. But Code with Ali has been here like for 2 or 3 days in a row as well, I think. Maybe that's part of it. I don't know. YouTube's weird. It gives a lot of points by donating. Yeah, it does give a lot of points by donating, yeah. No, I can't. Oh, actually, no, I can. Yeah, I can. I can. Like a cheeseburger from like McDonald's, basically. Actually, McDonald's. There's another place called Hungry Jack's, which is also Burger King in the U.S. and other places. That place, I think, has a $2 burger. But it's like not, you know, those aren't real burgers. Burgers under $1. That's awesome. Like actual burgers, actually good burgers with cheese. Damn, that's awesome. How can they afford to do it so low? So cheap? Dude, that just goes to show you how unnecessarily inflated prices are in certain countries like mine, for example. Cuz the fact that that's possible there means it's possible here. But because wages, legality and stuff of wages, it changes. Our local ones are not that good, but in McDonald's it actually costs like $2.53. That's still not too bad. But McDonald's, I don't know, questionable as well. Yeah, my food's very expensive over here. The price is that low means there are no people working with the vendor. Oh, really? So what does that mean exactly, like when no one's working with them? Like what? Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it right now. I'm learning it. You just haven't seen me type something because there's a bit of explanation happening right now on some stuff. Oh, okay. Wakatta. That means got it in Japanese. Samaj Gaya. Wait, this is... Oh? GTA? Yeah. Concurrent is like 9 people right now. 10. Wait, this is not working. Hold up. What? Here's some code. Good night from Australia. Well, good afternoon from Australia. Oh, it just has no inits. Right. That's the problem. There we go. Private, init status, fetch status, self status equals status. You guys can go for a burger. You gave me a burger. Get them away from you. Egg roll is really good. I will later, Loop. I'm trying to get some coding done before I have to go to work, which I do have to soon. That's fine. I'm kind of hungry. I might have a protein shake before work. Yeah, I got my coding got nerfed. All right, see you, Loop. Thank you for support today. Much appreciated, man. This is random, but we've had 277 views on this. So 260 views, 267 views on this channel that people started watching and then left. Jerks. No, I'm kidding. Swift is a coding language made by Apple, I believe. It's open source, and you can use it with SwiftUI, which is a Mac, an Xcode specific program. So they're here for 5 seconds and left. Majority. This is how well, no, because I'm not making a game, so it would look a little bit different, but similarly, yes, very similar. Language is always Swift for apps like Snapchat. No, it's not always. Often they use React Native, which will let you go from Android to Android and iOS, which is disappointing, but what can you do? It's so true, Aniket. You stream 15-20 times. It's not work. Thanks, Em. Laptop and texting from my phone. Oh, really? What the hell? Damn, really? Sucks for us now, then. Hi, Meat. Wait, why are we doing this? Hold on. What device would you like on? Yeah, you gotta send me a burger first. If I don't study computer science, then I don't do coding. What? You're asking? You're asking... No, I mean, no. That's wrong. Because I didn't study computer science. I'm coding. I mean, if we're talking about specifically like a course on computer science, you don't have to do that to code. Okay, go on. There's a website you can go to. I can't remember the name of it, but like, I forget what it was called. Honestly, I forget where it is, but I know there's a website where you can look into like what all those jobs do and how you can start doing it. Yeah, there's a few people from India here. I've been coding for like 8 months. I'm not working yet. I'm trying to get a job. But I had my first interview the other day, so maybe something will come of that. Otherwise, I'm applying to jobs as well. If I can find some. Sorry, if I can find some. So this is pulling the characters from the web. And this is You're welcome, man. It's more thanks to the guys in my chat, I think, to be honest. So this is just sample data, so it's not pulling. This is pulling from the web. And then this is just a test, I think, right? Or no? I'm confused now, slightly. Ah, itchy. Thanks, guys. You've supported me with a whopping $2.26 Australian. That's not sarcasm, by the way. Often things that come out of my mouth sound sarcastic, but I'm saying that's awesome, guys. Thank you so much, seriously. Hey, Judah. Oh, that's all good, man. Do what you gotta do. You just like walk up and give me a wad of cash. Won't mind even if you say it sarcastically. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty well. I was slightly sick recently, but good now. Have you? Okay. I don't get any notifications from Instagram, so I'll have a look later. I think the main social media I use aside from YouTube is just X. So. Oh man. Oh yeah, this is a sample stuff. For me. Yeah, well, that's why I can't use anything else because Twitter is already too much. So, but I can't abandon it because I need to be up to date on what's happening in the world with, like, when it comes to UFO stuff. I like to see the new developments because it's not about. I mean, it's not about disclosure in terms of like how much I believe, because I fully already believe the whole thing. I just want to see it happen, you know, to everyone. I want to see the moment when everyone finally realizes where's the I guess there's no real moment. It's like it's a slow drip. But something happened today or yesterday that was really, really good. It was like a public official straight up said, from photos they've seen, they believe it's not man-made. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I told my fiance to stop using it as well. It's just so much negativity on everywhere. Even on X. Even I'm not immune to feeling stuff, but I try as much as possible to be neutral about everything. And to be honest, my algorithm is literally only just UFO stuff. Can be, yeah. I won't advise for or against Aniket. Zero tracking on my phone, so it's very crazy. Oh, wow. Yeah, it really can be. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. True. Where is he? He's second. How do you even get traffic on LinkedIn? I didn't even know you can post on there. Wait, let death decoder equal JSON decoder death decoder dot let death data equal try data sample death equals try decode death decoder. Oops, I was missing something here. There we go. No, I'm not. I do use it sometimes, but I use Grok, not I don't use ChatGPT is garbage in my opinion. For my the way, well, when I try to use it, it just produces garbage. Oh, wait, I do get notifications from Instagram. What the hell? Why did I get that? I got yours, Aniket. Okay, so I just don't have maybe I don't have messages notifications or something. I don't know. Okay, this tutorial is only 6 minutes, so I'll just do this and then probably take a break after. Wait, so I've been online today for like pretty much a total of 5 hours, I think. 5.5 or more. Have I? No, I haven't. No, that's a lie. That's a lie. Because I was thinking about last night's stream, which was 3.5 hours. Good timing. Wow. Timing. Thanks. Sign to watch me. Sign to start coding, maybe, actually. Just happened. No, I don't know what Cookie Man is. Probably not here. I love cookies though. I want a cookie right now. Okay, we've done basically all the backend, quote unquote backend here. Fetching the data, modifying the inits to collect the fake data, modifying the character data so it provides a permanent death data for the sample death. I don't know how we'll update it later. But next stream I'll be updating this. I'll be making the view. So we're starting on the view next. So the visuals. So this is the behind the scenes shit, which I still really like to do. It's just that I need more practice with it. I'm really good with SwiftUI. I'm really bad with the functioning of stuff still. The more I do, the more I learn. So I gotta keep myself reminded of that. I know Aniket just left, but I'm gonna have to leave, guys. I'm gonna take a break, get a little snack before I start work, and go do some Uber, because as great as your support is, it's just not quite enough for me to not do an outside job. You too, Crocodam. Much appreciated for the support today. Loop as well. I think he's gone though, but thank you everyone for. Yeah, I have to go, man. I have to go do some Uber Eats. So I'm just gonna have a. No, I won't. Definitely won't. You guys are already imprinted in my brain, so there are some people. Apologies to those that I don't remember, but there are some people that come in here sometimes and I don't remember who they are. But yeah, you guys are here consistently as well, so I always remember you guys. Yeah, and I'm not at all dissing the donations that you guys give me when I say that I need more. I'm just saying, obviously it's not enough to live off, so. But it all helps. Literally everything helps. So yeah. You too, Aniket. You too. Hopefully I get some decent Uber jobs tonight. I'm not gonna go crazy. This is bonuses, so I'll make some money. Thanks, man. Thanks, and good luck on your new job, by the way. I don't know when you start, but yeah, let's chat about it more in the Discord. In the members server, wink. Of the members section, I mean. No problem, man. All right, guys. Everyone, see you next time. Probably. Wait. Say it's fucking Thursday already. Holy shit, man. So tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's generally my day off, so I'll probably be back on Saturday morning. So I'll see you guys then, but obviously I'll be on Discord, so I'll see you guys there if you want to chat too. a little bit. I'll try and like freaking finally read some of you guys' posts. I feel like I'm so busy outside of this. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I want to do this way more. It's so hard sometimes. I'm here for 2 days. Okay, that's all right. Well, I'll see you in 2 days then, maybe if you're back then. What do you think will be the future of coding and development in general with the advent of AI? I'm laughing because so many people have come in and asked me that question, and my answer is always, it's an easy answer. Our jobs are going to be totally gone. There will be no more coding. AI will do the coding. AI will do everything, and humans can get back to spiritual awakenings. So, yeah, don't stress. If you're trying to learn to code, just do it if you want to do it. That's what I'm doing. I possibly almost have a job already, so that's cool. Only at 8 months in. But, yeah, all jobs will be gone. That is the future. Thank you very much, Sep Nanil, for your question. Much appreciated. Just funny because so many people ask me that. Alright, guys. Catch you next time. Bye.